Thank you, my lord. I had indicated as well in our last sitting that Mr. Mapisa is going to take a stand, is going to testify in his defense. However, there are few witnesses that I still need to consult with, as my colleagues have indicated that there are consultations which are scheduled for this week. In the circumstances, my lord, I'll request a postponement to start the defense case. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, I also confirm that from the previous applicant, for able to consult according to the plans, we can be able to start with our defense case. The witnesses, my lord, I discovered that they are available on different dates because of the work commitments and the health commitments, my lord. As a result, I still have to finalize this week with other witnesses as well as next week, my lord. And also, they are not in one place. They are also scattered, my lord. They are not all in Pretoria, my lord. That's the reason that made me not to be able to finish the consultation with all of them. As a result, my lord, I therefore ask for a further postponement, my lord, until the 6th day of October 2025. Thank you, my lord.
MSHOLOLO. Well, we'll start with Ngumalo. Ngumalo obviously informs us that accused number 4 is going to take the stand, so he's going to be first, as I indicated in the previous video, and that they're not ready, they're not done with all the other witnesses that he has to meet up. But it's MSHOLOLO that I want to talk about. She says, you know what, it's been really hard to finish up with all the witnesses. She didn't finish up with all the witnesses. What about that? You were in another court, ma'am. How about that? I'm not throwing MSHOLOLO under the bus, but one would expect that then if she's got time to be in other courtrooms, it means she's got time to finish this case. But then we have to also factor in that the witnesses are being difficult. So I don't know what I think about this. Did MSHOLOLO use her time effectively, or is she spreading herself too thin with too many cases at the same time? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. But let's listen in. Please see Baloy's reaction when my lord says no. Absolutely hilarious. But let's continue on.
That you can have a conference with your colleagues. And
indicate will fall in with whatever date they propose.
I see.
Is put forward by the state. Initially, our arrangement as defense was that we, as I'm saying, I'm amenable to the proposal by my colleague, my lord.
Well, there's nothing wrong.
Oh, I see.
The only issue was whether it should be a provisional date.
No, it can't be a provisional date. That date, if we agree on a date, that date is the date of commencement, because the reason for the postponement is that all the parties allege that they have not completed their preparations for the trial of the accused, if they intend calling the accused come and testify, and their witnesses.
Yes. But I think, and we're not holding brief for my colleagues, but I understand from Advocate Nisi that he needs longer time because he's representing 2 accused and he's traversed the country consulting. So it sounds like the subject to confirmation by himself that the 6th of October might be too soon for him. If he foresees that it will be ready, my lord, no problem. We can then set it down for the commencement of the
Mr.
defense
Nisi,
case.
sorry, the 6th of October, will you be ready?
My lord, it's not an easy answer to say I'll be ready, my lord. As Mr. Baloy is, the state is indicating that I'm representing 2 accused persons, my lord. Yes. So, which is the reason why I think I said I'm amenable to a suggestion by him that we should have a prior date before the 6th, just to come and appraise the court as to state of readiness of the presentation of the defense case. I mean, for me, it's quite necessary, my lord, because I'm pulling 2 ox wagons.
Okay.
Yes. So,
Mr. Baloy, sorry.
Thank you, my lord.
Sorry, my lord, can I ask that?
Yeah, you say?
Sorry, my lord, can I ask that we take a short adjournment for 5 minutes so that we can arrange these proper dates, my lord, and then come with a perfect answer for the postponement? Just 5
minutes.
Yes.
What's the time now?
It's 18 minutes to 11.
Yeah. We'll come back at 11:30.
Thank you.
11.
Now, what have you guys done with the judge? Where is the OG? Okay, where is the original Judge Rutter, because this guy, who is he? He's giving imposter, okay? He's mellow, he's listening, he hasn't raised his hands. And did you see, okay, the paper that Ashley handed him? You see, Kwanazi has inspired everybody, okay, myself included, to create flowcharts. So what was Ashley indicating on that paper over there? Did you guys see it? Rewind if you missed it. Take a look at the paper, zoom, and you'll see he draws a lot in court, okay? But anyway, so Judge Retta is quite understanding. Actually, in fact, quite overwhelmingly understanding. I do not recognize this man at all, okay? Wow, he's patient, he's gracious. They ask him for time so that they can discuss when they can give the court the official date to return to court and be ready to start the defense case. And the Shalolo even said, just 5 minutes, my lord, just 5 minutes. He gave them 5 minutes plus, okay? No, 30 minutes plus 15. So that's a good 45 minutes. How did we move from 5 minutes to 45 minutes? And how did my lord justify the additional minutes? Anyway, that's not the issue, okay? Now, do you think they came back on time? I want you to, if you've been to the Madlanga Commission and you've seen how things are run tight with the timeline, inside here, Judge Writer's courtroom, do you think court started at 11:30 a.m.? Drop a 1 in the comment section if you think so. Drop a 2 if you know it absolutely didn't. And also, while we're speaking of timekeeping, do you think court started on time at the beginning in the morning? Huh? No. Okay, newsflash. And were we surprised? Absolutely not. We all expected it. I mean, it is the SENZO MEYIWA trial. We've grown. Well, English Monday bundles are going. And I guess that's cue for me too. Let's listen to the next clip, okay? Let's listen to the next clip.
As it is the court, my lord, thanks for the indulgence, my lord. My lord, we gathered around and came up with the date of the 13th of October.
13th.
Yes. That is a definite date on which everybody would come and say we are ready to proceed, my lord.
Okay.
Yes. That's 13 October.
And then the consultations, you don't know the assistance. It's normally not done, but this court is prepared to instruct Mr. Baloyi on behalf of the state to issue subpoenas to any or all of the witnesses which you want to consult. The only proviso would be that they must either be consulted in your chambers or in court,
Yes, my lord.
if you want me to make that order.
That will,
But you've got to give me
Dearly
certain
appreciated.
dates, certain. There must be, dates must be certain that you want to consult so and so at Victoria Chamber number, what, or in this court. Mr.
That will-
Baloyi can even arrange for other 2 or 3 courts.
that will be dearly appreciated, my lord. You will be dearly indebted to the court in that regard. Thank you, my lord.
But also, if I can add, the other witnesses will be requiring the accommodation, my lord,
What accommodation now?
to stay during the period when they are testifying.
When they're testifying,
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Baloyi, is there such an exigency?
I'm not aware of any provision where defense witness is paid for by the state. There isn't such.
But that you must discuss. I'm sure you can discuss that with the legal aid board. But the state, once it has released the witnesses, they no longer have a hold on them to say they will house them where. Remember when we started here, there was that lady, Zandile, what's her name? Zandile Kumar. I was told she was housed at...
We don't want to disclose that, yes.
Yeah, she was entitled to that because she was supposed to be a witness. But after she gave evidence, those rights are dissipated. Okay. But you can approach the legal aid board. I'm sure they can make some provision, if necessary. I don't know. Mr. Ngumalo, is that okay, sir?
And my lord,
You don't want to fix the dates. You haven't fixed the dates of the appointments.
No, not yet.
You're- So
We'll
can I
discuss
take it
it.
that you will do it, it will be done, so that we come back on the 13th, we just start the trial?
Yes.
Is that okay? Okay, fine.
Yeah. Shololo. Why did I? Is this her first defense case? I want to believe absolutely not. Why did she request accommodation for witnesses? That was very awkward for me. But anyway, I don't know. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And then, as well, do you see how gracious my lord is? Who is this man? He even offered to subpoena the witnesses. Okay, the witnesses are being problematic for Umnisi and Ramasipili, Ngumalo, and Umshololo. I'm willing to subpoena them, but you've got to meet them in your chambers or inside the courtroom. Wow, my lord, look at you. Did anybody else notice he seems to just be mellow? Do you think these are the aftermath effects of the Madlanga Commission? What is going on with my lord? I'm concerned. I'm going to be honest. I'm highly concerned because I don't recognize the man in the seat. But I'm going to end my video right here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you've made it this far in the video, well, you heard what it is. SENZO MEYIWA trial goes back on adjournment until the 13th of October 2025. Let's take note of it. We did a good job last time taking note of the last one. And then, yeah, I'll catch you. Of course, you know I'll be here periodically. I saw some of you put comments yesterday, I think. Yesterday I did a video. And I saw some of you guys put comments and say, so good to have you back. Guys, I'm going to tell you a big secret. I've been here every day. I don't know why. Like when I see those comments, it's more telling of where have you been? Why have you not been searching Mzansi Unfiltered? Why have you not been coming to my channel to watch the videos? Because I assure you, I have been uploading. So, guys, there'll definitely be videos for you throughout until the 13th. So please make sure you subscribe. Check that you subscribe so that you don't miss a notification when I upload a video. I'll also be going live. Thanks to everybody who supported Jabs in his live yesterday. Thanks to everybody who came to listen to us. If you didn't catch this live, there's two of them, okay? You have more than enough time until the 13th to catch up. I mean, it was quite a candid conversation, quite interesting. Unscripted, okay? Definitely unscripted. I definitely want you guys to go over there, watch the replay. It's still up, okay? While I still leave it up, I did put it. I did take down my other one on my other channel, but just because it was just going to be repetition, and I just didn't want that. Anyway, that is it from me. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, to comment, to subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next upload. Bye.